Now this is the military parade, guys. These are the older girls, college girls, as you can see, compared to the last videos. I've got here late again, as usual.
It's gonna be until the afternoon. Yesterday
Let's see if I can get to the front. See, there's more police here, there's military here to help out. It goes on to afternoon, this, guys. I love the military parade. This is my favorite. Now last time I saw a video.
Next entry number 3. The Bicol Central Academy.
Yesterday I had it on pictures instead of video. I don't know how it happened.
For Commander and Staff, Lieutenant Colonel John Caffin, we apply for Commander, Lieutenant Colonel, Needed, Lieutenant Colonel, Alakayla P. Montenegro.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Needed, Lieutenant Colonel, Prince Kyle and Suha, or F2, Lieutenant Colonel.
It's so hot, guys. It's really so hot.
Lieutenant Colonel, Jose Apollo, and entry number 4, Camaligan National High School, San Jose, San Pablo, Camaligan, Camarines Sur. President, Principal Mario Milano M. Sibulo III, Corps Commander and Staff. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Junel S. Marcaida, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Mary P. Campali, S1. Cadet Major Renuel Zen V. Ransay, S2. Cadet Major John Next entry. Entry number 6. San Ramon High School, San Ramon, Bulac, Camarines Sur. Principal, Salve V. De La Cruz, and staff. Second class, Grenadier, Majorettes coordinator.
I want to try and get as much on video, guys, as I can for you. And I know some turn it off, you know, quarter the way through, half the way through. It's a loss because these parades, they only take place once a year, and look at how it is with all the police here compared to yesterday and the day before. There's hardly any police yesterday. Now there's loads of police and there's military here as well. Look at these girls, aren't they beautiful? Lots of beautiful girls in the Philippines. Obviously they're all waiting to go. It must be awful to stand in these heat and carry this heat and carry these. Now last year was a disaster. Previous years under Mayor Bongat and Siralik, it wasn't a problem. I got a pass pretty quickly, and last minute still got one. Last year, because it was a new mayor, new procedures, I left it that late like I did this year. I couldn't get a pass, and the police just wouldn't let me through. It was a nightmare, an absolute nightmare. But this year, don't get stopped. Look at these gorgeous girls. This is what it's all about. Not the girls, I mean, being in the Philippines. Oh, sorry. Just kicked that lady. It's just amazing. I love this. Even if I wasn't taking video, I would be here watching this. But when I'm editing, I'm going to have to cut some of this down because and I'm going to make them smaller videos because people won't watch long videos. But if they know there's lots of Majorettes on, they'll watch it. Oh, hello. Well, I was yesterday, so what would change today? There's some beautiful girls, man. Oh, I'll put that on camera. I'll have to edit that out, won't I? I don't think we can walk up there, there's not enough room. Yeah, I'll cut these down to about 6-7 minutes and do about 4 or 5, and that'll get us through a month. The back now. See, I want to get on there so you can see him come round the corner. Yeah, I can save a bit of my battery as well.
be back.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Gladio Atlantian, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlot, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Darther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Dumaget, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Brett Glazo. Big thanks to all of you.